Okay, now we're at the snake show. Grandpa and Garrett, and right. Double. Right.
You have a better understanding, not so much of fear, but a respect for the snake. Here in South Florida, we have 42 different species of snakes, 4 of them which are venomous. Which 4 are they? Rattlesnakes.
Python.
Not the python, but good try. Coral snakes, one more. What's the penny made out of?
Copper.
How many of you out there were hoping to see those snakes today? First one to raise his hand there in the
Go there, Oh, gotta go down there, Garrett? Oh boy, Garrett. Go ahead, come on.
Go, Granny.
Come on. Here, Grandpa. Take, you don't have to touch it. You don't have to touch it.
You're gonna enjoy this, Garrett.
I'm the one who's double afraid. Alright, what's your name, big man? Nice to meet you, Gary. Where are you from? New York. Welcome to the United States. There you go. Major spot. See what's inside there? Not just what inside this box? Inside this bag? We have one of those snakes. You notice I have no problem with the pillowcase. I have no problem with opening up the pillowcase. I have one big problem. You know what that is? Reaching in there, bringing the snake out. If you want it in here, I'll open the bag for you, and I'm gonna let you bring it out. Out there doing a plastic rubber snake, take a good look. Pretty real, right? I don't want to be sacrificed before you. Very important. Don't get bit. And in order for that, just nice and gently pick up the snake. Not easy taking the snake behind the head. You don't want to try that, okay? Center of the body, nice and gentle. Which hand do you write with? No. That's all. You use whatever hand you want, okay? Here we go. You don't want to. Come on. I haven't lost anybody yet today, okay? We don't talk about the past. Well, you know who else raised their hand? That lady way up there. I saw that. So come here. You got cleared for good try.
Hey,
Hey.
good work, Garrett.
And what is your name? Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Belgium. Not too many snakes over there in Belgium, huh? All right. So, which hand do you write with? Left. So you want to use your right. Okay. Here we go. Nice and easy. Center of the body. Right hand. Hopefully not. It's America, the land of hopes and dreams, right?